an upgrade on the brand's long-standing Sub SAT 5.1 package. The Sib Evo Dolby Atmos speakers augment front-firing speaker drivers with a 76mm full-range upfire for Atmos audio. The idea is that this bounces audio off the ceiling to create a 360-degree sound. The cosmetic design is smart. The satellites are attractively finished in piano gloss black, while the ported sub is matte with a premium grain finish. The sub employs a downward-firing 209mm woofer, with crossover and gain dials, a phase switch and ADLFE/stereo phono inputs. The good news is that despite its relatively small size, this vocal system sounds fittingly fulsome. The opening of Mad Max Fury Road is synonymous with aggressive sound design, and proves a potent system test. When the war boys first roar overhead into the frame to chase down Max, there's an acute sense of propulsion that travels from the back of the room to the front. There's a seamless synergy between the satellites and the sub. I never once had the impression that the subwoofer was working solo. That down-firing woofer provides a reassuring kick to the shins. Those Mad Max V8s sound great.